Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. Not that big a deal, but if you ever wanted to make some weird shapes on something like that, that's how I did it, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So I'm going to use the same blue. This time I'm going to take the three-sided polygon and make a pretty skinny little item. But then I'm going to go to Object and convert it to a curve. I'm going to get the distort tool and go to zipper, and I'm going to start adding nodes, and then I'm going to add the aptitude and get these little sharp points. Now, Control D to duplicate it, mirror it up. Let's turn them both red, take away the outline, and Control G to group it. Now let's put it in the center of the page. So it's way too big, but if we grab it right here with the shape and hold down the shift key, it'll bring it in. Now, Control D, I don't have to alternate C because it's already in the center of the page, and we're going to rotate it 20 degrees, and then Control D around. Now, take your blue again and get it out of the way. I'm working in the center of the page so I can just move it. I'm going to Control G to group that, and then I can hit P to put it back. And now I'm going to go back to our INTERSECT tool, and look at that. Let's turn it yellow, bring in the black box effect, and you get these completely upside down. Like these two are almost the same, but they're progressively getting smaller. Just an idea to show you what the zipper tool will do with the distort tool. Hope that gave you an idea, and thank you for watching.